Here's something they never teach. Silence is a legal weapon. The right to remain silent isn't weakness, it's power. The less you say, the fewer bullets your opponent has to fire back.
Versus Bonnie Jacques and Brandon Jacques.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
They're usually here. Oh,
Mr.
Brandon.
Jackson.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. You don't have a camera, but I think you turned it on, but it's covered. All right.
Yeah.
How much is owing?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,965.36.
All right. And sir, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I'm currently working with my employer to get paid so that I can pay the balance before the end of the month.
All right. So you think you're going to have the balance paid before the end of the month?
That's what I'm working towards, yes.
All right. So here's what I'll do. I'll adjourn this out. I'll mark the file that that's what you're intending on doing. I'll adjourn this out to December 5th, 2025 at 2 p.m. That is, Mr. Jacques, I think you're aware, an in-person hearing, you'll need to come down to the courthouse unless you have everything paid off before the end of the month. All right?
What was that balance again? I'm sorry, just so I can be sure.
I've got it.
I have
Oh, you have it.
$2,965.36.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Golf Site Lake 1 and 2 versus Chloe Luke and Nura Jones.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Luke, Jones, they're not here. You may proceed.
Thank you. This is a case for non-payment of rent. Rent to retain possession is $2,671.41. Court costs are $214 for a total of $2,885.41. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days, which I have is after the 1st of December.
Judgment to the plaintiff by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested, writ issue in 10 days. Golf Side Lake 1 and 2 versus Lakia Williams and Karan Williams.
Jillian Engen.
There she is. No, she's here.
Hello.
Hello, Miss Williams. All right. If you have a camera, that'd be great, but let's do this. What is the claim?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,785.11.
All right. And ma'am, how are you guys intending on getting this paid?
Well, like last month, me and my roommate both lost our jobs, and then my sister got into a bad accident. So we've been working working on trying to like find jobs, and then he found one and he starts in 2 weeks and I start in 1 week, but my mom is willing to give us $1,500 in 2 weeks to put on the balance to help.
Okay. All right. There was a lot packed in there. It's okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. You got a plan. So when did you say your mom was going to have the 15?
2 weeks from today.
Gotcha. Okay. So that's going to be into December. So that's okay. It's all right if we can get that paid. And then, have you applied for assistance like through Hawk or something?
So I lost my job earlier this year and Hawk helped me out, but when I talked to them, I believe they said I could only get help like once a year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So let's do this. I'm going to adjourn this out to December 5th, 2025 at 2 p.m. That's an in-person hearing, so you'll need to come down to the courthouse. What I'm going to suggest you do is contact plaintiff counsel's office, see if some type of an agreement or conditional order dismissal can be worked out where you can get this all paid off. Okay?
Okay.
Does that sound all right? So that at least sounds like a plan. If you apply for any other assistance, make sure to fill out the rental assistance form and get it to us by Wednesday. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
All right. Very good.
Thank
I've
you.
set that.
When the defense speaks gently, they're not being soft. They're protecting credibility. Emotional explosions rarely win cases. Calm lawyers win arguments by precision, not volume.
Sir.
Jillian
Hello.
Where is she? Oh, there she is,
Yes.
down at the bottom of my screen, just yelling hello. No,
Sorry.
hello. How are you doing?
I'm good.
All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,016.26.
All right. And how are you intending on getting that paid?
So I did apply for assistance, but I'm still waiting to hear back. And then I plan on having it paid off by the 29th though.
All right. So you applied through,
For SCRD DHS, I think.
okay. So you applied for an SER?
Yes.
All right. But you hope in any event to have the balance before the 28th or the end of the month, basically,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. Mhm.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn this out to December 5th, 2025 at 2 p.m. If you have it all paid off before the end of the month, you may not have to appear. Otherwise, you'll have to come down to the courthouse on that day. Because you applied for an SER and other assistance, you need to get the rental assistance form, which is in the packet, fill that out, and get that to the court by Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You have a good holiday.
You too.
Court calls case, Gulfside Lake 1 and 2 versus Natasha Olmos.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Olmos, she's not here.
Yeah, I'm here.
She is? Where is she?
Yes.
Oh, there she is.
Hi.
Okay.
Good morning.
Hello. Good morning. Okay, what is plaintiff's claim?
I have a balance including court costs of $4,225.79.
You said 4275.79?
4225.
4225.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Olmos, how are you intending on getting that paid?
So I had some student loans and grants coming. It's supposed to be here November 27th. It was applied to my account on the 19th, but it takes about a week to hit my account. So I plan to have it paid by the end of the month.
Okay, you got, all right. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll indicate that your intent is to pay the balance by the 28th or thereabouts, right?
Mhm.
And then I'll adjourn this out to December 5th, 2025 at 2 p.m. If you don't have it paid, we'll need to see you down at the courthouse, but if you have it paid, they're going to dismiss as long as you get it paid before the end of the month.
Okay, and if I do need to log in, you said, okay, so if I don't have it paid, come down there. Because last time I didn't have the Zoom link for the next court date.
I'm sorry?
So if I don't have it paid, I come down in person, right? So there's no Zoom
It's an
link or anything?
in-person hearing. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, perfect. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Miss Olmos. You have a great holiday.
You too. Thank you.
Gulfside Lake 1 and 2 versus Samantha Gonzalez.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Samantha Gonzalez, not here. You may proceed.
Thank you. I have a balance.
Courtrooms aren't just about facts. They're about timing. What's said first, what's said last, what's left unsaid. A case can turn based on a single sentence said at the perfect moment.
$53. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days, which I have is after December 1st, 2025.
Judgment to the plaintiff by default for possession. Redemption amount is in the amount requested. Writ to issue in 10 days. Peninsular Place versus Amadou Diane.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Is he here? Oh, he is. Amadou Diane.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. Oh, kind of there you are. All right.
See me?
He's there. Well, can't see you yet. There we go. We got you. Well, I don't know why you won't stay. There you go.
Yeah.
All right. What's plaintiff's claim?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,731.06.
All right. Diane, how are you intending on getting that paid, sir?
Because I do owe that, and I'm gonna drop off a 700 today. I mean, life's going on right now, and I'm planning to pay that on the 5th, remaining balance of that by the 5th.
By the 5th?
Yes.
Okay. So unless there's some other arrangement, your December rent is going to be included in that.
Yeah, that's the only thing that I'm kind of worried right now, but I will pay that 700 today. Like,
okay.
Right when you're off the Zoom, I was actually on my way.
Mr. Dan, pay the 700 today, and then what I'm going to suggest that you do is contact the attorney's office, see if they'll work out